Hello and welcome. I'm doing a test solve of a case for the Microsoft Excel Collegiate Challenge Regionals. It's April 11th, which is next weekend for me, but I guess sometime in the past by the time I post this. It's a case called Bullseye Curling. I'm playing the varsity version. There is a junior varsity version as well. It's by Fritz Burkhardt, who writes fun cases. I think he wrote the Green Excel Club for the MECC Finals. All right, I'm going to start my timer. Let's see where we get to in half an hour. Welcome to the hottest Winter Olympics for Bullseye Curling. You score points in Bullseye Curling based on the stones that you have closest to the center each round. Yes, I know that much about curling. For scoring stones, the score is based on the color of the ice in which the stone ends up ice points and the order in which the stone was thrown. Each team's stones are numbered based on the order they're thrown. A stone's points are calculated as the ice points times stone number. Is that the real curling rules? I assume not, but I have no idea. In level 7, when more than one team is playing, only the stones that are closer to the center than the other team's closest stone score. Okay. Everyone is very civilized in bullseye curling, and no stones will ever impact one another. Okay. Fine. So, how many ice points? Okay, so we gotta. Okay, fine. So I have a handy macro for this, but I try not to use macros when I'm solving MECC cases. So let's just do this. Yeah. So what color is this? What color is this? And then we're going to find and replace that with 2. Choose format. No, sorry. Wait, yes, I can do that. I think. And then replace with 2. Yes, fine. Then we'll choose format purple and replace with 3. And then we got red is 5 and yellow is 7. Yellow I can just do. And then red. It's probably faster still to do it this way. Choose format from here. Replace it with 5. Okay, cool. And then I hate indirect, so I'm going to avoid using that. So I'm going to do 2col of this. Yep. That down as far as there. 3. And 2col of ifs. This. Where are we here? Yes. As far as there. If that is not equal to blank, then address of row of this and column of this for 3. So those are the addresses, and those are the scores. Fine. So we'll do add and IP for ice points. Okay, so then it should just be an XLOOKUP of this in add returning from IP. Sure enough, that gives 5. First 3 games answer sum to 7. Yes. And off we go. Oh, we got some NAs, which should be 0, I guess. Oh, the wordplay. Okay, well, I mean, I guess it's got to be 0 if you don't get it in. Fine, I don't know. So we'll just add otherwise 0, and off we go. Although I will, specify what if not in color range. I do like things to be clear. Okay, where did you shoot? Players launch their stones from the area between here and here on the curling tab. Stones start from the shot release location and travel to the right the number of columns equal to the shot's power based on the given SRLs and power and what cell the stones end up. Okay, so gotcha. So let's do substitute address of 1 and this for place 1 with nothing. That's my, let's call that CLab. So then I want to regex extract. Oh, hang on, wait, what? Oh yeah, sorry. regex extract from here /pl plus will give me that, and I want to x match that against CLab. That's my starting column number, and then I want address of starting column plus that, and regex extract, extract from here /d plus to get the number, and 4. That gives me x63. What? Oh, because I'm adding in the wrong place. Sorry. This is the column. That's the row. Okay, BK24. What? What? So BK is here, which is number 63. And we start off in K, which is number 11. I'm so confused. 63. So we should end up in BL. Why aren't we? Oh, sorry. Careful, because I'm X matching, and then I need my CLab to be one wider. Okay, so I'll put that over here and include the 1. And then change the name to point to there, because otherwise when I X match against it, it won't give me it'll give me the column number within the range, not the overall column number. Okay, that was a silly move, but never mind, easily fixed. Okay. Okay, how many points does the stone score? So now I've got, yeah, fine. So just shift those over. That goes there, and then we want to XLOOKUP this in BL24, yes, in add returning from IP, otherwise 0, 3, okay, times the number, yes, fine, times this. Oh, and I forgot that there were hints on this one. Let's go look at the hints. BM to BO, yes, 27, yes, BM to BO, yes, and BF to BI, yep, fine. Okay, so here then, 25 there, 30, 40, yes, and less than 10, yes, good, okay. All looks good. Okay, level 4, how many total points does your team score? Based on the given SRLs and powers for stones from numbers 1 to 8, what is the sum of the scores of the stones? Okay, so, oh, this is probably not meant to be here. This is somebody's workings, so we'll just get rid of that. Oh, and there's workings left over here as well, which we'll get rid of also. And the rest is gone. Okay, good. Okay, so let's do wrap, not warp, wrap rows of this by 2. Okay, so let dt be that. Then column number is going to be x match regex extract from index dt row number 0, column number 1 by pl plus against CLab. What? Oh, sorry. Match that against CLab plus index dt 0, 2, and give me my column. Good. Okay, and then I just need the row. Okay, so then the row is regex extract from index dt 0, 1 by /d plus. The row, that looks fine. Then I want address of row and col 4. Then I want to XLOOKUP that in AD returning from IP, otherwise 0. Then I want to multiply that by a sequence of 8. So I got a total of 139, and that matches. Hooray. Okay, so let's see. Between 80 and 90, yes. Yeah. Okay, looks good. Okay, friendly competition time. Based on the given SRLs and powers for stones number 1 through 8 for both teams was the total score of team 1 multiplied by the total score of team 2. Okay. So. Okay. Fine. So we'll make DT be the whole thing. Then just go piece by piece. So make this column 1, as in the column of team 1, the row of team 1, and then the score of team 1. And that all works as is. And then we want to do the same thing for team 2. So column of team 2, we want the third column here, and the fourth column here, and the third column here. And that's the row of team 2, score of team 2. That part all works the same, and then let's just go straight to it. If it doesn't match the example, then we can look more closely, but ooh. Name error is not good. Oh, and sorry, this needs to be wrapped in 4s, but name error is separate from that. Oh, right, yeah. So this is row 2 and col 2. Oops. And this is row 1 and col 1. 5328. Hey, that matches. First time. Okay, so 6200, yes. 53500, yes. 1900, okay, cool. Level 6, distance counts, and so do averages. To prepare for level 7, calculate the distance from the center to each stone based on the given SRLs and powers from stones. What is 100 times the average distance from the center for all 8 stones? How are we calculating distance? Pythagorean. Okay. Fine. So I want to figure out the distance to the center. BF15 to BN33. Okay, so this is BN33, yes. BF15. Okay, cool. Okay, I guess it doesn't matter that it's not in range, so that's fine. Except it kind of does matter. Okay, fine. I guess I can just make a bigger table. So yeah, let's do that. Let's do 2col of, I guess, the whole thing to be safe, of CLab and this. And then what do I want? This is 66. Yes, 66. And 33. Yes, fine. So I'm going to do 2col of this minus 66 squared, not cubed, squared, plus this minus 33 squared. And okay, and I'll call this DLU for distance lookup. Okay. So take this. No, I'll take the one. Wait. We're gonna have, yeah, we're gonna be going back to 2 teams in a minute. But okay, fine. We'll take from here. I'm sorry. What are we interested in? 100 times the average distance from the center for all 8 stones. Fine. So I want to VLOOKUP the address in DLU column 2 0. Then I want to take a round of average of this times 100 to 0 decimal places. Cool, that works. So then, yes, that's in the right range, 1 3 and 1 1. Okay, good. So finally, calculating the winners in level 7. Only stones. Whoops, sorry. Only stones that are closer to the center by Pythagorean distance than the closest stone of the other team's score. Based on the given SRLs and powers for stones 1 to 8 for both teams, how many points are scored? There are no ties. Beautiful. I love no ties. Okay, so we're going to go grab this. Plonk that there. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the sum. And that'll give me the score for each piece, and same thing here. So then I need to figure out the distances. So D1 can be VLOOKUP this in distance lookup to 0. And D2 can be the same thing with underscore 2s, row 2 and column 2. Then I guess we'll do MD1 is min of D1, and MD2 is min of D2. And then we'll say if, yeah, okay, fine. Just since I'm testing, I'll say if MD1 equals MD2, then we've got a problem. Otherwise, if MD1 is less than MD2, wait, do I need to? No, I don't even need to do that. I can just say MD can be max of the two minima. And then, what am I trying to figure out? I'm trying to figure out the score. Yeah, so I just want I want sum of SC1 times D1 is less than MD, and SC2 times D2 is less than MD. I think. Yes. Less than 10, less than 10. Yep. Okay. Oops, I think I hit save instead of copy down, but anyway, fine. Bonuses. Hopefully I can shrink this enormous formula bar now. What have we got? How many cells make up the shot release area? Okay. Well, if this is the area, then I guess I can say rows of that times columns of that. Okay, one row on the curling pitch tab has the same total ice point value as its number. Oh, one row, sorry, got it. One row on the curling pitch tab has the same. Oh, okay, sorry, I think I understand now. So I'm going to do by row all the way down to the bottom of this sum equals this. And this, yeah, equals that times that. Sure enough, there is just the one, and it's 18. So that's the number of that row, sum of this. I feel like the language of that needs to be clarified a little. I get the idea, but okay. Level 1 to 5. How many shots finish to the right of column BN? Okay. So I have where they end up here, but I don't have it for the. I have it there. Yep. Fine. Okay, what other bonuses do I need to do? And then I'll figure out if I need to expend things. So it's the total number of ice points of the locations that never have a stone end up there. Okay, so I need the ending locations to answer both of these. And then what is the total shot power of all shots in level 7 that do not score points? Bloody hell. Okay, so we'll do that one first. What just happened? Sorry, zoom back in. Okay. So shot power is columns 3 and 5. So I need that to be greater than or equal to, and I don't want that. I want index dt 0, 2. And here I want column 4, and that also to be greater than or equal to. I think that's the right formula there. Oh, that's a lot of shot power. Okay. I'd rate my confidence medium to low on that one, but never mind. Okay. Okay, so I need a list of where stuff ends up. Wait, what? Okay, I assume this is where it ends up, but that's not actually obvious. Fine. So I'll just make that red to remind me. Nope. Okay. Will I spot that later? I don't know. Maybe not. Doesn't matter. Okay. So where am I going to have space? Level 5 is the widest one. So we'll work in column AO. There's some stuff in here, but yeah, not until down there. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, column AO level 1. Okay, so that's that. Then this is where these end up. Oh, wait, what? Ah, right, yeah, I gotta put that back. Okay, next level. Yes, I still have it here. Okay, then it starts to get multiple. So what are we doing here? So here, I just need the addresses. So drop the sum in the XLOOKUP and the sequence. Except that I need just do 2 row, it doesn't matter. Okay, 20 of those, and then here. Right, so I've got 2 sets over here, but that's fine. So what do I want? This is 1 set of addresses. So 2 row, H stack, V stack, doesn't matter. Those addresses with, oops, sorry, I'm putting it in the wrong place. Never mind. Okay, so I want 2 row, each stack, that and that. And one of them can be for 1. Okay, happy days, and fill that down. Okay, so finally, I just need to think about this. Count diffs all the way up to there and all the way up to level 1, which is there. How many of those? Oh, that's a lot of zeros. Okay, fine. We got a good number of hits. So was bonus 4 was the point value of the ones never hit? Yes. So say some ifs. Yeah. Some ifs of, whoops, this, where this is 0. Okay, and then how many shots end up to the right of column BN, right? So I already have a reference to the whole range, so let's take that, oops, take that. And we can just do it in one shot, right? So we'll do sum minus minus x match regex extract to call that range 3. So to call it with 3 will just give me the values themselves. I'm going to extract the column name, which is PL plus, x match that against clab. And I want to know, is that to the right of that, so greater than x match BL against clab. Sorry, BN against clab. Okay, time to check my answers. So I'm going to pause while I do that, and I'll report back how it went. Okay, it all checked out. I love it when it works first time. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.